This instructional video will show you how to properly remove and install filters in your Tiger-Vac CD-1200 dust collector. The first step is to open the door by turning all 3 locks clockwise using a flathead screwdriver. Step 2 is to cut the tie wraps holding the lock bars in place using cutting pliers, and then open the lock bars. Next, unscrew the grounding straps to the right of the filters. Use a Phillips screwdriver. You may now slide the filters out of the dust collector system. Exchange the panel filter and clean the cabinet before inserting new filters. With the old filters removed, it is now time to insert new ones. Simply slide them in along the rails, taking care to orient the securing wires behind the filters. Screw the grounding straps back into place. Close the locking bars. Secure tie wraps to keep the bars locked in place. Finally, close the door and turn each of the 3 locks counterclockwise. For more assistance with your CD-1200, email us at sales@tigervac.com.